everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you have not yet subscribed, we want you guys to click the subscribe button. And this is Anila, my daughter, my 14-year-old. Look at that, my 15-year-old daughter. Oh my gosh, yeah, I keep on saying 14-year-old, but this is Anila, and one of our subscribers requested that we do a sleek bun for her. I'm gonna put her name right up there so that you guys see. Shout out girl, she sends us a lot of requests and we thank her for it. So this is her hair right now, the way it looks in all its 4B 4C glory, mostly 4C, and I'm going to attempt to slick it down. I don't know, she's like, I don't know. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna spray her hair with some water, the parameter, because the ends of it, from the requested video that the person sent, the ends weren't slicked down. Okay, so I'm just spraying the hair really well, and yeah, so, and we're gonna spray inside over here also really well. We're making sure we're avoiding spraying the ends of the hair. Our hair is already moisturized, so I'm not gonna re-moisturize our hair. I'm spraying it all over. A lovely makeup she did. You guys give her a thumbs up for this lovely all natural makeup. Okay, so I'm using my fingers to just walk through the hair, walk the liquid through the hair. She already has a middle part going on, but let me see if I have to clean it up. She did a pretty good job making the middle part really nice. So this is the middle part. So what I'm going to do next is, after combing my fingers straight, I'm going to use some gel. Okay, so this is a gel with a very good hold to it. This is the Style Factor Edge Booster Fitting Gel. The hold is level number 5, if I can get it. It's level number 5, and it's a thick gel. The way you can know it's a thick gel is, look at it. You guys see that? See that gel? It's not coming. See that gel? That gel is not coming. This is a thick gel. Okay, so I'm gonna take it, that much of it. Oops. Okay, so this much of it, and I'm gonna put that on the perimeter of our hair. Okay, so I'm gonna get my brush, and this is my Care brush. That's the brush we use, and I'm gonna use that to slick the hair with the product real good. Okay, so I'm trying to get all the kinks out. Once I've done this part, I'm getting my hair tie, and I'm just going to section this part away. So I'm going to do this second part again. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just looping it through like this, and then I will ask her, does this feel tight? Is it okay?
Yes. Okay.
So now that we've done it, we're not yet done. We have to clean this up. So I'm gonna get some more water. Just put water again on the perimeter of the hair. Now I will take, this is the Style Factor Fitting Hold. This is their spray. This spray kind of locks everything in place. So that is one thing that when you are ready, when you've got all the gel in, so I'm just using the water to reactivate the gel so that you're not using too much gel. That's the key thing for me. I don't want to use too much gel on our hair. I hate it when people put too much gel on kids' hair, so I try not to put too much gel. I'm going to use a soft bristles brush and encourage that to go down. Okay, so let's do a close-up so that you'll see how the hair looks. Okay, so now I'll take the fitting spray and I'm gonna just spray the hair, and this will help prevent, you know, when humidity, when she goes out and about, this will give it shine and it will help prevent it from flying out again. Okay, So I'm just going to use my brush. This is a very soft brush, and I'm using the brush to just brush the hair. You can see the other side too. So we're just going to use it to brush the other side. I'm going to get some mousse. Okay, this is the Style Factor mousse. Everything we're using is Style Factor, not sponsored. And I'm just going to get some Style Factor mousse on this, just to lock our natural curls in place. Okay, so I'm just taking this and I'm just going to use my fingers. I'm not using a brush or anything. I'm going to use my fingers to just brush it out with the mousse. And remember, you have to make sure the hair is moisturized. Okay, always make sure the hair is moisturized before you do all this, because you don't want to lock in dryness to the hair. So I'm taking this, I'm just pulling it through with my fingers like this. And since this is going to be a low bun, low sleek bun, I want the bun to be a little bit big at the ends. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to take the very end of the hair and I'm going to twist the very end like this. You guys have seen this. If you've watched our video so many times, you've seen this. And I'm tucking it right at the base of our hair. And then all you just do is just shape it real good. Now this is the key thing, especially if you have this type of hair, a hair of a thicker consistency, thicker texture, you want to tie down a scarf. So grab your scarf, okay, and we're going to tie it down, and then we're going to wait about at least 10 minutes, or you can do this before you put on your makeup so that the hair sets accordingly. So it's been 10 minutes and we're going to take this off. So just simple pull down, and this is what it looks like. Slicked, not using a lot of gel, and it looks really nice and really sleek like that. And you can see, bend down. Okay, so you guys can see how nice and sleek it looks, and all the way down, and you can see the back. So pretty. This is so pretty. You can even add an accessory if you want. You can do, and if you're into laying down baby hair, which we're not, so we're keeping it as youthful as can be, because some people go crazy with the laying baby hair and I don't. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video and have other hairstyle requests, comment below. But this is a great style for your teenager and even yourself for the office, right? Okay, so
thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share it to the world. Love you guys and have an amazing day.